Hey everybody, Chef Andre here. Today we're going to be doing some balsamic glazed Brussels sprouts. So we're going to start by preheating our oven at 425 and chopping up a half a sweet onion. About a medium chop to it, nothing too crazy. It's going to give something the balsamic and the honey something to stick to if it doesn't adhere to the Brussels sprouts. Got a half a sprig of fresh rosemary. We're going to remove the leaves from the woody stem, chop it really well. If you can't chop it this good, put it in a Cuisinart or a Robot-Coupe. Chop it up real good. After that, we're going to trim and slice all these Brussels sprouts. Make sure they're washed really well, and as you're chopping them, if you notice that there's dirt inside of them, sometimes it happens, you're going to take them to the side and rinse them. Now all the stems and leaves that fall off, there's really not much you can do with those, so you're just going to have to discard them, and that's that. It does take a little bit of time, so we're going to clean up, add some salt and pepper to it. We're going to mix 1/8 of a cup of honey and 1/8 of a cup of balsamic vinegar together before we start chopping and everything like that. It kind of loosens up the honey a little bit. So we're going to mix thoroughly, toss it real well, just to make sure we're covering all the Brussels sprouts. This is going to give it that nice golden color and the crispness on the outside. Add some olive oil to the pan before we do it. I like to cover all the pans with foil because my wife does the dishes and she appreciates it. And spread them out evenly. Make sure between the different pans that you're using, you want to be able to see some of the pan through the Brussels sprouts. You want them to crisp and roast instead of steaming and sogging up. And then that's it. Add some salt and pepper, adjust the seasoning, put it in the oven for about 20 minutes, and take them out. Drizzle with a little bit more honey and balsamic vinegar. Re-season with salt and pepper, and serve. That's about it. Thanks again for watching.